No, do it again, Billy. I ain't doing it. Fire the hole!
That's too heavy. Shut up and take it, bitch.
Find something lighter and put it in there.
A piece of foam.
Oh, there we go, Johnny.
Shaped like a dick.
Yeah, 2 balls and a dick.
Yeah.
So you have 2 balls hanging out of the end of it.
Is that working?
Yeah, it works. I think so.
Well, let's see what it looks like.
No, not until we're done filming. Okay, here we go, Bill. Johnny, act like you're the quarterback. See if you can catch it, John. Bill. Or Doug.
Right out there.
No, run for it, Jonathan. Catch it.
They ain't gonna shoot that far.
Ready?